Good morning, students. Today we'll see chapter 9 profitability ratios, under which operating profit ratio. Okay, so till now, under profitability ratios, we saw gross profit ratio and operating cost ratio. The third one is operating profit ratio. So here, operating profit ratio will help us to know the operational efficiency of any business organization. Okay, which means we have to first calculate the operating profit from which revenue from operations, that is your sales, must be divided. Okay, now the formula for this is operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by revenue from operations into 100. So this is the formula which we have to use. You are given an alternative formula which we should not use this one. Okay, we can use this only for verification purpose. Do not use this for calculation. Okay, only for verification we can use this. Okay, so now this is the formula. So how to calculate operating profit? Operating profit is equal to revenue from operations minus operating cost. Okay, we have already seen how to calculate the operating cost, which is nothing but cost of revenue from operations and add your operating expenses. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate the operating profit ratio. Now moving on to the illustration. In this illustration you are given three different cases. Okay, so if case 1, okay, which is revenue from operations and operating profit is given, how to calculate the operating profit ratio. So each case will vary. Okay, so here you have only two accounts, which is operating profit and revenue from operations. Case 2, you have revenue from operations and operating cost. Likewise, in case 3, you have revenue from operations, gross profit, that is 30% on revenue from operations, operating expenses. So in each of these cases, how would we calculate the operating profit ratio? First, case 1, operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by revenue from operations into 100. So this is your formula for calculating operating profit ratio, right? So now you are given, in the first case, if you see, you have operating profit which is 1,50,000 and also revenue from operations which is given as 10 lakhs. So both the amounts are given directly. Okay, so you write 1,50,000 divided by 10 lakhs into 100. So when we cancel these values, we get 15%. So all these 4 zeros, then strike off these 2 zeros and here, so you get 15. So 15%. Okay, so now case 2, you have revenue from operations which is 15 lakhs. Operating cost is given as 12 lakhs. So now our formula is operating profit divided by revenue from operations. So now if you have to know how to calculate operating profit is equal to revenue from operations minus operating cost. Okay, so now revenue from operations is given there as 15 lakhs. 15 lakhs minus operating cost is given as 12 lakhs. So minus 12 lakhs. So you get rupees 3 lakhs as your operating profit. Now operating profit is 3 lakhs divided by revenue from operation is given as 15 lakhs into 100. Again, now you cancel all these values. You have 5 zeros here, and here also you have 5 zeros. Just cancel these. 3 into 5 times is 15. So 5 into 20 times is 100. So you get 20%. Okay. Then the third case is where you have revenue from operations. You have gross profit which is 30% on revenue from operations. Also the operating expenses which is given as 4 lakhs. Now the same formula must be written. So now to calculate your operating profit when gross profit and operating expenses are given. Okay, now operating profit is equal to gross profit minus operating expenses. So now first you calculate your gross profit. which is given here, that is 30% on revenue from operations, which means this is your revenue from operations, 20 lakhs into 30 by 100. So that is what is done here. So you have 6 lakhs here as your gross profit. Now operating profit is equal to gross profit minus operating expenses, which is directly given here as 4 lakhs. Write that 4 lakhs here. You get 2 lakhs as your operating profit. Now apply this value in the formula. Operating profit is 2 lakhs. Revenue from operations is given as 20 lakhs into 100. Now you cancel these 5 zeros and here 5 zeros. 0 and 0, 2 into 1 time, so 1 into 10 is 10%, right? I hope you all understood. I'll repeat this again. First case, you have your revenue from operations and operating profit directly, so we applied it in the formula. Second case is where revenue from operation and operating cost is given, not profit, operating cost is given. When you have revenue from operations and operating cost, you can calculate operating profit, okay, in the form like revenue from operations minus operating cost. So this is how we can calculate the operating profit. The third case is where you have your revenue from operations. You have to calculate the gross profit from the revenue from operations and operating expenses are given. So now if we have to calculate the operating profit, we have to deduct operating expenses from gross profit. That is, gross profit minus operating expenses will give you the operating profit. So now 6 lakhs minus 4 lakhs, which is 2 lakhs. So we got 2 lakhs as our operating profit. Apply it in the formula now. Hope you understood this illustration.